Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Buick Encore. Stock number is A7949. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, nice waterfall chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, leather and cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, and this Encore is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Encore on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.